Okay, class, I just wanted to go over the final exam essay, the causal essay assignment. This is a cause and effect essay. This is a 200-point essay. It is the final essay of the semester. And it will be turned in on the day of the final to turnitin.com. That is May 8th. This will be 900 to 1,000 words for the cause and effect essay. And you may discuss one of the below topics using what you have learned from Ishmael. So you choose one of these two topics. Okay, I cannot take these essays late. It's one of the school rules. It is the final exam. So make sure you have it on May 8th. Okay, topic number 1. Humans have nearly brought the planet to its knees in an environmental crisis that has never been seen before. Discuss the causes that led to this. So directly we're talking about the climate change, climate disasters we have going on, and the mass extinction that we're experiencing in the Earth right now, the 6th great extinction. You may use information from the book Ishmael and the documentary for this essay, Before the Flood. Okay, but you need to create here a causal chain that discusses, what led to what, led to what, led to what, led to what, that led to our issues that we're having here on the planet right now. Okay, so that's topic number 1. Topic number 2, despite the scientific facts and warnings that we as a species are nearing extinction, humans are still completely apathetic to the end of all life on Earth that approaches. Discuss the possible causes for this apathy in the face of extinction. So this topic number 2 is a little bit more creative. It asks that you discuss why people don't care that we seem to be facing, planet-wide extinction. All right, so that one allows you to be a little bit more creative. Okay, so the do's and don'ts of this essay. Hopefully I shouldn't have to say this, but every essay should have an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. All right, more than one body paragraph. Usually you have main points grouped together that are similar in these body paragraphs. Anyways, if you're establishing a causal chain in this essay, which is what you should do for a cause and effect essay, that there's a series of events that led to another, sorry for the typo, that led to another, then you may have a body paragraph that links one of these causal chains together. You may have body paragraphs that are entire causal chains and they all lead to the same thing. Now we've already gotten our essay what it leads to. Those are your topics 1 and 2. So you need to flesh out how it got there. What caused what, and you need to explain how these causes worked. And hopefully you'll connect together a lot of the issues that Daniel Quinton raised in the book Ishmael to do this. Okay. So the essay should be in third person only. No I, no you. Okay. We are talking about all humans, so, a little we or us every now and then isn't so bad. Okay. Normally, you might try to discuss like, a causal chain in one body paragraph, or 3 causes that lead to the same thing in one body paragraph. You're just going to have to kind of feel it out a little bit, because there's so many things that kind of work together that all lead to the same, to the same event or the same problem. So this one, you're just going to have to feel out and figure out how you want to organize your body paragraphs so they lead into kind of one logical conclusion. Just keep in mind, you're guiding your reader along this path that shows that one thing causes another, causes another, causes another, and ends up with, topic 2, apathy, or topic 1, extinction. So don't forget that. Okay. The introduction should contain a sentence that lets the reader know what we are talking about, always. Let them know what the topic is. Followed by some background information on the topic, and a thesis that includes your most important causal chains, your most important causes, and the effect, which you already have in your topic, that they have caused. Okay, this essay has a standard conclusion that wraps up all your main points and shows that there's a relationship between them. You may quote from the book or the documentary, but keep in mind that you do the writing. The quoting only backs up your points. So they should only be 10 to 20% of the essay. And if you need to know how to quote or cite or punctuate them directly, all you have to do is Google MLA format, citation, quoting, or, to show you how to do these things. Okay, so basically, the purpose of the assignment is connect all the stuff we learned over the semester and be able to help you to identify, causes and relationships between things and what their effect or effects may be. Okay, so, you need to have good control of clarity, grammar and punctuation. You're going to have to use logic and phrases and words that indicate a cause and effect relationship. You can Google what are common phrases used in a cause and effect essay, and there's some fairly good things you might not have thought of. Okay, don't forget to organize these paragraphs into a way that flows for your reader to lead to that effect. Okay, so some of your goals for this essay are to show that at least 3 things cause some kind of effect that has to do with global warming and, extinction. Have a clear thesis and write sentences that clearly connect and prove that something causes, this effect of global warming, extinction, or, whatever, apathy. Okay. Now I've got an outline for you here. This will also be posted to D2L and emailed to you as well. And it just tells you basically, what should go into each thing. And I gave you an example, for an example thesis and, a body paragraph with some example main topic sentences. And I mapped it out fairly well for you. So I think this could be a useful tool if you're struggling a little bit how to organize your essay. All right, well, that is the end of the cause and effect essay, and I will have another lecture that looks at a causal essay or a cause and effect essay and examines it and breaks it down for you as an example of what to do.